Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to create a Facebook event. So to do that, let's head over to our Facebook application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account. Now you can create your event in two ways. The first one is you can directly head over to what's on your mind option right here. And also you can go to the three lines icon on the top right and head over to your profile and scroll down and now go to what's on your mind option. Now here you'll find several options and in here you'll find the option of live event. So head over to live event and here you can just create what type of select a category like work, education, relationship, home and living, family, travel, interests and activities, health and well-being, milestones and achievements, remembrance, and you can also create your own or customize. So let's head over to create your own. And here you can change the icon, like any sort of icon you can look for or create. You can give it a date and give your title and say something about your event. And once you are done, just tap on next and your live event will be posted on your Facebook. So yeah, this is how you can create a Facebook event. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.